In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change picture in Life 360. First, you'll want to open the Life 360 app on your device. This is the starting point for all the actions we will take today. Once the app is open, you will see the main dashboard. Here, you can access all the features Life 360 offers. It's designed to keep you connected with your loved ones, and personalizing your profile is a great way to make your account feel more like yours. Next, look for the settings icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This icon usually resembles a gear. Tapping on it will open up the settings menu where various options for your account are available. This step is crucial because it allows you to access your account details and make changes, ensuring your profile is tailored to you. You will see different categories listed under settings once you tap it. From there, you will tap on the account option. This will take you to a section dedicated to your account information. It is important to navigate here because this area contains your personal details. You can manage your information and preferences to keep everything updated. Now look for your name listed under the profile section. Tapping on your name will lead you to your profile settings. This is where you can make personalized changes, such as updating your picture. Personalizing your profile picture will help others recognize you easily within the app. Next up, you will tap on your profile picture. This action is central to changing your image. Tapping here will present you with options to either take a new photo or choose an existing one from your gallery. This flexibility allows you to select a picture that best represents you. Whether you want a fresh look or prefer an existing image, you have the choice. After that, you will choose between two options: take photo or choose from gallery. If you decide to take photo, ensure you have good lighting for the best results. If you prefer to choose from gallery, scroll through your existing images to find the perfect one. This choice is important because it gives you control over how you present yourself within the Life 360 community. Once you have selected or captured your desired image, you will be prompted to crop or adjust the picture. This step allows you to focus on the most important part of the image, ensuring that it looks just right. Make sure to position your face correctly, as this will make your profile more recognizable to your family and friends. Finally, tap Save to confirm your changes. This action is crucial because it ensures that your new profile picture is updated and visible to others. Once you hit Save, a confirmation may appear, letting you know that your changes were successful. This little step saves you a lot of time later by preventing any confusion about your profile. Now you have successfully changed your picture in Life 360. This process not only personalizes your account, but also enhances your connection with others using the app. Remember, keeping your profile updated is a great way to stay engaged with your loved ones. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helped you easily change your picture in Life 360.